Hello everyone, welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram message icon missing quickly and easily. If your DM icon is not showing up, this guide will help you get it back. Now let's get started. Method 1. Step 1. Open the Play Store on your phone. This is where you can update apps and fix any bugs that may be causing the missing icon. Step 2. Tap the search bar at the top of the Play Store. This allows you to search for Instagram directly. Step 3. Type Instagram in the search bar and search. This brings up the Instagram app in the results. Step 4. Tap Instagram from the search results. This opens the app page where you can check for updates. Step 5. Tap Update if available. Updating the app fixes bugs and restores missing features like the message icon. Method 2. Step 1. Open Settings on your phone. This gives you access to app management and storage options. Step 2. Scroll down and tap App Management. This section lets you view and manage all installed apps. Step 3. Tap App List. This shows a complete list of apps installed on your device. Step 4. Use the search bar to search Instagram. This helps you quickly find the app without scrolling. Step 5. Tap Instagram from the results. This opens the app details and settings. Step 6. Scroll down and tap Storage and Cache. Then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that may cause glitches. Step 7. Tap Clear Storage or Clear Data only if you remember your Instagram password. This resets the app to its default settings. Step 8. Tap Delete from the prompt and then restart your phone. This ensures all changes take effect and the message icon should reappear. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more simple Instagram tips and tutorials.